A very good evening to one and all present over here. According to today's lecturate topic, it is about adult education. So before starting about adult education, I would like to tell you something about education. So what really is education? Education is a process in which a thought process of a human being gets widened and the narrowness of the thoughts that they have get disappear. So for an example, if a person is educated enough, then she or he must be more acceptable and he or she will accept all kind of thoughts on the basis of what is right and what is not. But the person who is not having good education or the illiterate person, they will not understand the difference between what should be accepted and what should not, because they would not know about what is good and what is not. So adult education is also necessary because many of our adult people living in our country didn't get education at that time. So now it is the need of hour to get education to that adults also. So adult education is only tool to remove illiteracy from society. Adult education can be categorized under fundamental education, mass education of people, workers education, further education, even the farmers education, basic education, community education and social education, etc. in order to educate the people at a different level. According to Mahatma Gandhi, adult education can be said as education for life, through life and throughout the life. Adult education is necessary for the personal enrichment of a people, effective participation in many areas like social, political, international level affairs, professional advancement, etc. As it improves individuals' peacefulness, enhance working efficiency, widens thinking process, leads towards progress in life, strives the living in society. Adult education is the part-time education given to 15 to 35 years old age group people who never attempt or some schooling before. So adult education aims to prepare adult for a social, economic, civil and political role. So it is the need of ours, so that we need to open talk with our teachers and family about this education. According to the survey, it is found that the country having low literacy level are economically backward, which realizes the importance of adult education for the countries to progress. Adult literacy raises standards of living and bringing economic development and social transformation in the country. The major step that India could take to get developed country is to literate the people living in India. And the Indian people who are the citizen of this country should get literacy for sure. Government of India has made the adult education as the matter of great appreciation under the project of education for all, by giving a call to millions of adults for education. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good evening everyone. Today my lecture topic is adult education. As the name suggests, adult. So it is the education given to the adults of age 18 and above. It is the education which helps them in all walks of life. Like we all know, a skilled person is always the boon to the society and the country. So we have to make our adults a boon to the society. So how can we make them a boon to the society? By educating them. So it is the education for that purpose and making them prosperous to the society. Now what is the objective of adult education? The objective of adult education is skilling, giving them proper lessons, removing illiteracy, providing them professional skills. Like if a person has done some course or any college like engineering, giving him professional skills regarding his background. Like a person has done computer science engineering, so providing him adequate courses or skills regarding his profession so that he can excel it and get a good employment and hence help the society to grow. And then Also, the vocational education has been added to the adult education. What is vocational education? Vocational education is like in a rural background of if a person knows carpentry, so he is taught skills in the carpentry so that he can generate revenue and also help his family members to grow. So these are the type of skills which are called vocational. So government is planning to include vocational education in the school education also. So this would really help the student to gain the practical knowledge, and even as an adult also these are very important. Even government has been working on the several schemes. They have introduced several schemes even in the a decade back, during the green revolution time, most precisely the farmers were given the education about the high yielding variety seeds. So if a farmer goes to the market to buy a seed, so he should have that caliber to identify which seed is good for his field. And so providing farmers also, the farmer literacy program was launched at that time. And even now various programs regarding education of adults has been introduced in various panchayat systems. And even at a central government level, the National Mission for Eradication, Giving Education, National Mission for Education has been initiated by the Education Ministry, which was earlier known as HRD Ministry, has initiated program for providing skills to the adults. So these skills would really help the adults to grow and help their family to also prosper in a good way. Even at a whole, it will make the country harmonious. So at last, I would like to conclude by saying that adult education in today's era is very much important, so that people don't get exploited by the other people's. Like farmer has a good, if he has a good knowledge, so he won't be exploited by other people. So these education has been a very important role. So let's take it forward and start educating adults at their levels. Thank you.